Welcome back for another fun quiz. Can you pass this human body general knowledge quiz? So let's start. Which is the largest organ in the human body? Skin. How many teeth does a healthy adult normally have? "32. Which bone is the longest in the human body? Femur. Which is the smallest bone in the human body? Stapes. Which organ pumps blood throughout the body? Heart. How many chambers does the human heart have? Four. Which blood cells carry oxygen? Red blood cells. Which blood cells help fight infections? White blood cells. Which protein carries oxygen in blood? Hemoglobin. Which organ filters waste from the blood? Kidneys. Which organ produces insulin? Pancreas. Which human organ uses the most oxygen? Brain. Which is the largest internal organ in the human body? Liver. Which part of the eye controls the amount of light entering it? Iris. Which part of the eye detects light? Retina. Which is the strongest muscle in the human body by force? Jaw muscle, masseter. Which is the largest muscle in the human body? Gluteus maximus. How many bones does an adult human have? "206. Babies are born with approximately how many bones? "270. Which human organ can detect 5 basic tastes? Tongue. Which vitamin is produced when skin is exposed to sunlight? Vitamin D. Which organ is responsible for detoxifying harmful substances? Liver. Which human organ can regrow to its original size after partial removal? Liver. What is the hardest substance in the human body? Tooth enamel. Which finger has the fastest nail growth? Middle finger. Which human organ is responsible for balance and coordination? Cerebellum. Which is the largest cell in the human body? Egg cell, ovum. Which is the smallest cell in the human body? Sperm cell. Approximately how much blood does an average adult have? 5 liters. Which organ protects the human body by producing antibodies and fighting disease? Spleen. That's it for today's quiz. How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next quiz.